Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, my name is Susan Kawa. Feel free to join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do chin chin, guys. Yes, I'm going to be showing you how to do chin chin. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into it. Okay, yeah, firstly what I have here, I have flour. Yeah, this is flour, guys. And I have my sugar, and I have my milk. This is pink milk, guys. And I have my butter, and I have my yeast, that's yeah, yeast, I don't know how they call it. Yeah, and I have my yeast, and I have my egg, I have my moscado. That is what I'll be using, guys. So guys, firstly what I'll be doing, I'm just going to take my flour, and I'm going to be adding the sugar first. I'm going to be adding the sugar to the flour. Depends how you want the taste to come out, guys. So I'm going to be adding the sugar the way I want the taste to come out. So guys, after adding the sugar, I'm going to be adding the yeast. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm going to be adding the yeast. Yes. So after adding the yeast, so I'm going to be adding the nutmeg. After adding the nutmeg, I'm going to mix that together, guys. I'm just going to mix them together. Yeah, I'm adding the yeast. I add the nutmeg, and after I add the yeast, guys. Yes, so yeah, that is that. So after adding all these things together, I'm just going to mix the dry things together. Make sure it's well mixed together before ever putting any other thing else. Okay, that is what I'll be doing. Yeah, I'm just mixing. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm just trying to mix all together. I'm mixing all together. I'll make sure everything is well mixed together. Yes, it's very important to mix it together before adding butter or adding the milk. So I'll finish mixing it. So the next thing I'll be doing is just to add my butter. As you can see, guys, the butter is well soft. I microwave it a bit, I just make it to get melt a bit. Yeah, so after, I'll just mix that together. You have to mix it very well, guys. So I'm still mixing it together. Yeah, so after I finish mixing it together, guys, what I will just do, I will take my egg. It's time to put my egg right away. So I'm using 2 eggs. I'm just going to put that, and after I will still mix together. Yeah, I'll still mix together. I'm mixing it very well, and later I'll still be adding the flour. So I've just add a little bit of flour, and I add the milk. Not too much milk, because you don't want that to be too soft. You want it to be normal, so that's why you don't add too much milk. Some people do add water, but me, I did not add water, because I prefer to use the milk as the water, to give that chin chin that softness, the way it will not be too hard when you are chewing it. That's why I did not add water. I just use the milk as the water. So this is after finishing mixing all together. This is how it look. Not too soft, not too strong. This is exactly the thing we are looking for. Yes, guys. So after, I'm just going to put extra flour on the table for it not to stick on the table. So I'm just going to cut a little part of it like so. So I'm just going to take my roller just to roll it well, like so. So I'm just going to spread it all over so that it will be more easier for me to cut to my desired size. So that is what I'm doing. I'm still spreading it, you know. Yeah, that is what I'm still doing, guys. So yeah, so after spreading it like so, you know, normally after spreading it like this, you take your knife, but it will be advisable if you have this pizza cut, you know, that is they use to cut pizza. It's very quick and it's very easy to use that, but unfortunately I don't have that. I looked for it in the supermarket, I could not find it. So for me not to waste time on doing this video, so I just go ahead and use my knife. So I've done the first part. I just do it off camera for the video not to be too long, but I'm going to show you the way I do it so that it will be more easier for me as well. So I'm just spreading it just like the way I did it before. So I'll just spread it. After finishing spreading it, I'll go ahead with my knife and cut it to my desired size. You can cut it to your desired size. So this is how me I cut it to my desired size. I cut it not too small, not too big, you know. So that is how I cut it. If it is what did they call it, that thing to cut the pizza, is very easy and it's very quick to use that one. On my next one, but I've bought it now because the very first day I wanted to shoot this video, I could not find it to buy, but now I have my pizza cut right now. So anytime I'm doing this chin, I'm just it's more easier and more faster with that pizza cut. Yes guys, so I'm just going in with my knife just to cut it the way I want it. Yes guys, so that is it. See, as you can see, if you don't have that pizza cut, feel free to use knife also is so good. Before that pizza cut came out, we used to use knife. So knife, it is still good, it's just that it takes time. It takes time more than when you use the pizza cut. So that's the only different, guys. That is the only different. So yeah, that is it guys. So I'm just going to cut all of that to that size, the way you are seeing it guys. I'm going to cut all of that to that size. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. Yeah, that is what I'm still doing. I'm still cutting it. As I finish this chin guys, oh, my friend came in and it was so nice. She loved it a lot. She said, wow, how did I do this thing? Because the way it's soft, it's not hard. The way you are chewing it on your mouth, it was so soft. So I say, yeah, it depends of the way you mix it that will give you that softness. So yes guys, after finishing cutting, I'm just cutting it to my desired size. You see that guys, I'm going to cut all of that to this size you are seeing right here. So I'm just going to cut all of that to that size. Yeah, and after, I'm just going ahead to put my fry pan on the fire. Yes, I've put my ground oil inside my fry pan. You have to use the deep fry pan a bit, not too much flat. It's better to use deep fry pan guys. So I'm going to cut all of that to that size. So yeah, after, I'm going to put my fry pan on the fire. I've already put my vegetable oil, so I leave it to hot for like 3 minutes. So I'm just going ahead to pour my first chin inside. So I'm going to fry that. Yes guys, so I'm just going to fry it the way it will not get burnt. I'm using low heat. Yes guys, I'm using low heat. You have to use your medium heat on this one so that it will not get burnt quick. Yes, so yeah, that is what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm just trying to turn all around for one part to get fried and the other part not to fried. So I will make sure I'm just going to be turning it like this for all the old parts to get fried. Yes guys, that is what I'm doing right now. Yes guys, so after that, what I'll be doing, no, there's no after that, because yeah, after this first frying, I'll just go ahead and go off camera and fry the remaining ones I've cut. So I will show you after I finish cutting all frying all the chin chin guys. It's very nice when you have kids at home. This is very good for you. It's very nice. Just put it on the dining so anybody can take inside and just eat like that, you know. You see guys, after frying it for 3 minutes, it became changing the color like this. You see, that is it guys. That is when you know it has well fried. Your chicken is ready. After it turns out to be like this, you know that your chinchin is ready to eat guys. Look at that, look at how beautiful it turns out. I'm so happy, I'm so proud of myself right now. So I just took some out to see if it's okay. I'm just going to test that. Yes, so if it is okay, I'll just remove it from the fire, and after it's okay, and my chicken is ready to eat, to put it inside my mouth. I really enjoyed this chin chin after frying it. I was so proud of myself. You know, what you learned before, you know, it has not gone out of your head. You still remember after so many years. Yes guys, so I finished frying it. I'm just removing it. Yes guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and press the notification bell. Anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Until I come your way next time guys, stay blessed and bye bye.